Good morning, good afternoon, and very special welcome to the Petersen Museum in Los Angeles. I'm only allowed to film some of this. We're going on a vault tour, that's what this is for. Come on in, take a look around, and we'll see what's going on inside. Alright, welcome to the Petersen Museum. This is going to be a tour from my perspective. Okay, so this is cool. I'll go around the other side so you can see it better. You can see everything. That is a rad. ECU's there. All the heads are open as well, so you can see the cams and shit. Yo, this is sick. Okay, so this is the movie car section. I'm talking quietly because there's so many people here. Obviously, Mad Max. Okay, so Perth has its own one of these, so I'm gonna... Man, you've done a good job, buddy. So obviously Perth's one is a replica of this. This is the original. Twin chutes, afterburner. Damn. This is so rad to see in person. Man, this thing looks mean. Look how long it is. What you can't see as well is that the nose actually comes up. So like, see it goes up? Man, you'd be able to see fuck all in there. Okay, so this is an artist's impression of what a buggy might be. So this is built in 2013. It runs and drives, four-wheel drive, independent suspension. Man, this is actually kind of cool. I mean, literally aerodynamics of a brick, but it's a buggy, so who cares? It's just cool to see shit like this. Like, this actually works, it drives. The artist was just trying to make a point. Okay, so this one's interesting. This is the bike from Batman. But who's your tyres on the front? Look at those wheel weights. Obviously it wobbled quite a bit. And of course, the DeLorean. The actual one from the film. October 26, 1985 on the dash. Nice. And now to the real cars. 1955 550 Porsche Spyder. Man, these are a thing of beauty. Old school steel wheels. Just what a classic. And of course we can't go past the 918 Porsche. Man, these things are rad. I've never seen one of these in person, so it's real cool to see one. Very, very cool to see one. These are sick. Carbon everything. Oof. Yo, this is cool. So it's like a touch screen. So we'll change it to a Ford GT. And it changes it to the Ford GT. But if I pull this, you can see the difference between the road and the race car. Nice. This is cool. This is a gallery just for the old school Southern California races. Man, look at these things, mate. That's a bathtub on wheels. What were they thinking going the speeds that they were in these things? Especially this. That is wild. Okay, so this is like on another level. This is one person's collection. One person. This is madness. 935 Porsche. Often replicated. Look at those turbo fans. That's how you do turbo fans. That is crazy. Man, this thing looks so good. So good. There's a film going on in the background, which is all that noise you hear. Oh man. Suzuki's S2000 from Too Fast, Too Furious. Look at this thing. Man, this is a time capsule. Look at the seats. They're like sheepskin. Gauge clusters.
Some ridiculously old screen on the dash. Oh my god. Neon cathode thing on the tunnel. Damn. This has seen some action. Oh my god. Badly fitting boot. Oh, it's just... This is a throwback and a half. Okay, I couldn't go past this because this is kind of everything to me right now. I'm going to read out the first sentence and then we'll go from there. People around the world have come to love cars for many reasons. They exude style, embody innovation, and offer their owners a remarkable combination of freedom, utility, and distinction. Few other products of our material culture have more purpose or meaning, and even fewer elicit a more emotional response. What do you love about cars? Let's go. Let's sound off in the comments. Let's get deep. This one's for the detailers amongst us. Excuse the lines. But wow, this is old school. Car skin tempered wax, car skin reconditioner. Damn. Sick. GT40. GT40 because it's 40 inches high. This one from 67. 306 horsepower. 165 mile an hour top speed. Man, tell me that's not a beautiful car. Okay, so usual car being radio business, but this will intrigue my audience. Engine of the future. Righto, buddy. There's something to be said for the concept art. So this is the remake of Bladerunner. And you can see here they're actually illuminating parts of the chassis on the new ones to make it look like the old spinners. The concept art is just phenomenal. Oh, look at the mood in that picture. And it's now time for the vault tour. I'm not allowed to take you along with me, I'm afraid, so just enjoy these cinematics from the main museum floor. Vault tour is something else. I so wish that I was able to take photos or just do something to show you, because the caliber of cars that are in that basement is unreal. There's a car in there worth $30 million. Like, what? There's a McLaren Senna parked next to a McLaren P1, both optioned with the full carbon body factory MSO options. Those options are like $500,000. Like, so that's my time here done at the Petersen Museum. I cannot recommend this place enough. It is absolutely unreal in this place, and if you ever hear
definitely do the vault tour. It's a little bit more money, it's like $28 extra or something like that, but it is so worth it. The tour guides are the most knowledgeable people I've ever met in my entire life. Knows the engine of every single car, the year it was manufactured, the chassis, the backstory of the car for every single car, and there's a lot of cars in that vault. So thank you very much for watching this very special and different episode of Joy Drive. I hope you enjoyed my perspective of the Petersen Museum. If you're ever in the area, come check it out. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.